Hey, Charles here with Rocky Mountain, and today we've got our 2024 BMW R 1250 GSA in the shop. We need to replace the air filter. Now, the recommended intervals for that is an inspection at 6,000 miles and then replacement every 12,000 miles. But I do want to point out that if you go on a week-long ride and you're in some really dusty conditions, I'd recommend once you're back from your ride, I'd take a look at this air filter and make sure it's not caked up. Now, with that being said, the process is going to be similar for any of these 1250s. Let's go ahead and jump into it. To get this done, you're going to need T25 and T30 Torx bits. I've got a magnet to help make things easier if we need help removing a screw. And then for your air filter, we have several options available on our website. We're going with the Tusk option today. If you need one of these, just click the link in the description below. At the bike, the first thing we need to do is remove the rider's seat. Pay attention if you have one of the heated seats, make sure you unplug it. Next, we're going to remove our tank cover. So on all of these models, you're going to have 2 screws in the bottom and then 3 at the front of that cover. Now on the GSA models, you're going to have a little storage compartment as well, and there's going to be 2 screws you need to remove under that. And then to remove the cover, you'll slightly pull up on the back and pull it towards the back of the bike. That's because we have a couple of tabs hooked into the plastic that need to come loose. Now on the regular GS models, just be aware that the side cover is going to look just a little bit different, and there's a couple of screws that if you remove them, it's going to make it a little bit easier to remove the air filter cover. All right, next we're going to remove our airbox cover by taking out the 4 screws. We're using our T25. And then on these back 2 screws, I'm going to use my magnet. All right, next we are going to remove these 2 J nuts, or the nut clips. And that's just going to help us prevent from making any more scratches on this cover. Now to remove this, we're going to lift this up, and it is going to be a tight fit, but we're just going to push it forward a little bit and pull it back. All right, from here I'm going to remove this air filter frame, and then I'll remove the air filter. Now with the air filter removed, you can see we've got some bugs and grime sitting on the front edge here. We're going to carefully clean that up, making sure nothing falls down into the intake. Now with the air filter out, we need to make sure that we don't have any dust or dirt inside the air box. If you have any, make sure you get it wiped out. And then we also need to make sure that we have this sealing surface clean. Then we'll take a quick look to make sure the intake and the air box is perfectly clean. All right, now to inspect the old air filter, you want to hold it up to a light. And if you look in between the pleats, if that area is dark, that means the filter's clogged up and ready to be replaced. Now, this one in my left hand, this one, it's not that bad. It could be worse, but a new filter is cheap insurance, so we're putting a fresh one in, and you can see how much lighter the new filter is, so it's also going to breathe better and help the bike run good. Next, we can install the new air filter with the sealing side facing down and make sure that sits all the way in its groove. Install the air filter frame, then the cover, then the 4 bolts, and we'll tighten those down to 3 Newton meters in a crisscross pattern. Install the J nuts. reinstall the gas tank cover and your seat. Now, a quick tip with the tank cover is you can start by setting the front in place, pull it back slightly while you line up your tabs, and then you can slide the tabs into place and press down on the top, and everything should click into place. Then we can tighten the fasteners to 8 Newton meters. Plug in the seat. Then line up the tabs and click the seat into place. That's it for inspecting and replacing your air filter on your BMW R 1250 GS. If you have any questions, leave those down in the comments. And if you need a new air filter or other maintenance items for your BMW, head over to our website by clicking the link in the description below. We offer free shipping on orders over $75. And hey, if you want to see more helpful content like this, whether it's product spotlights or other how-to videos, make sure you subscribe to our channel. I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain. Thanks for watching.